All right, guys, so this meat has been on here for about another hour and a half, and we're gonna take its temperature and see if it's come up to about 200 yet, and then we'll pull it off and let it rest for a while. So go ahead, get the lid open, get our thermometer. I've already kind of checked it. Okay, so just over 200. What we are going to do, have this bag ready to go, and then we're going to go ahead and scoop this thing up. And the reason why I'm using a paper bag is because it'll help maintain the heat. All right, so there is a fair amount of grease right there, but that'll all drain out. The paper bag will help to soak it up, get it away from the meat, and also the paper bag will help to maintain that temperature. I'm going to take it inside and put it in the oven. Not going to turn the oven on, but I'm going to put it in there because I don't have a cooler, and then going to let it rest for about an hour now. So, and just for time reference, the time right now is about 4:45, I guess. And everything went on at 11 a.m. That's when the meat actually touched the grill. So, anyway, yeah. So after this is done resting, I will come back and show y'all what we got.